Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I want to talk about Oracle today. Shockingly, I've not made a video about Oracle before. So, what they do is mostly enterprise software. They also have actually some free software. They have some, business software, but the main moneymaker is their database, which is just gigantic, and personally, I hate it. But, that's where most of their money is coming from. Current price $55.35, which gives them a market cap of just under $170 billion. Dividend yield currently under 2% with a payout ratio of 31%, which isn't terrible, but I also don't think it's that great. Overall, a dividend yield of 2%-ish is not bad, but first of all, you can get far more, and second of all, with a payout ratio of 31%, there's definitely room for growth there. So it's kind of weird that you want the low payout ratio, but you would kind of prefer that they just double the dividend, right? So current revenue $39 billion, slightly down. It's only down less than $500 million, but $500 million is still a lot. Earnings also down less than $1 billion. Again, $1 billion is a lot. PE of 18, forward PE of 14, obviously very nice. Especially the forward PE being way lower than the current PE. Total assets $115 billion, total liabilities $103 billion, which gives them a total stockholders' equity of $12 billion, which is down $10 billion from the previous year, which obviously I hate. But $12 billion is still a lot. Overall, not happy with that at all. I would prefer that they just either up the dividend or maybe just hold on to their money a little better. So overall, I would say that for a growth investor, obviously there's no growth here. For a dividend investor, the dividend is pretty low. There's many other companies that you can buy with a higher dividend yield. And there's even some on the dividend aristocrat lists that is a much higher dividend than the 1.7% that you can get here. So strictly speaking, for a dividend investor, I think there's way better opportunities out there. For a value investor, I think that there is much here that is actually very good. The PE is nice. The forward PE is even better. The balance sheet is not terrible. It's obviously not good, but you can kind of overlook that. The dividend yield is okay. It's kind of a nice bonus. So overall, I would say that for a value investor, this definitely looks interesting, and I would encourage anyone to actually look into doing the research on the company and maybe spending some money here. Overall, forward PE of 14 is something that currently is very hard to get, and Oracle is also a company that's not really that much affected by the current situation. So for a value investor, it definitely looks very interesting. That's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.